Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can embed HTML codes or URLs to your website projects on Google Sites in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to your website project and navigate to Insert here in the top right and select Embed here below the text box button. Now also guys, make sure that you navigate to the section of your website or of your page you would like to place the embed. Let me go with that section here, and after that click into embed, and you can go either with an embed code. So I don't have an example, but let's say, I don't know, HTML and then 1 2 3 and so on and so forth, and close that with I think that button and simply click into next here. Or alternatively guys, you may go also with a URL. Let me go with an example, I don't know, Facebook or something like that, and then click into insert here. And yeah, of course, not all websites can be embedded because of the site permissions, but that's a bad example. But simply click into insert here, and after that you will see the preview here of the embedded website, and that's it. So let me just remove that, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.